Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be giving you a summary of William Ackman's Big Think video, everything you need to know about finance and investing in under an hour. Who is William Ackman? William Ackman is the founder and CEO of Pershing Square Capital Management, a hedge fund that oversees $19 billion in assets. He is one of the most successful investors in the world, and his insights on finance and investing are highly sought after. What does Ackman teach in his Big Think video? In his video, Ackman covers a wide range of topics related to finance and investing, including the basics of how businesses work, how to read financial statements, how to invest in stocks and bonds, how to manage your money wisely, how to avoid common investing mistakes. Here are some of the key takeaways from Ackman's video. Invest in public companies. Ackman recommends investing in public companies over private companies because they are more liquid and have more transparency. Invest for the long term. Ackman believes that the best way to invest is for the long term. This means investing in companies that you believe have strong fundamentals and are well positioned to grow over time. Don't try to time the market. Ackman believes that it is impossible to consistently time the market. Instead, he recommends focusing on investing in good companies and holding them for the long term. Diversify your portfolio. Ackman recommends diversifying your portfolio by investing in a variety of different assets. This helps to reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. Conclusion: Ackman's Big Think video is a great resource for anyone who wants to learn more about finance and investing. It is packed with valuable insights from one of the world's most successful investors. Call to action: if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about finance and investing. Outro: thanks for watching.